Here we go, excuse me, here we go, 4th graders and parents, and anybody else watching. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 7th. Here is what I need you to do today. It's a little bit different format on how things are organized. So I've written in the stream, morning meeting, you're going to answer the question. The question's right here. And since we watched a video on impulsivity, it's how can you manage your impulsivity. We all feel at times about having some impulses, and we just need to manage it. So some people in our class have trouble with that. So this is a good way to share how you manage that so others can learn from you. I just realized I forgot to put something on here. There we go. Writing, continue the writing we did in group. Use your story map to expand your story. So you're writing on a Google Doc about your story, so continue doing that. I will look at those Monday to see where you're at. Math, work on your playlist for 20 minutes. Dreambox for 20 minutes. So let me give you a little background on the playlist for any parents watching that maybe have not checked it out. What I would recommend is watching this video here. It explains the requirements of the playlist. I will briefly explain some things in addition here. You have videos that are mandatory to watch. You must watch those. And then where it says complete this form, you must do. The only things that are optional are the games. And I've built in some checkpoints that are yellow, which means to stop. So if you're waiting on me and you're at home, you can just do Dreambox until I'm able to check in with how you're doing. So again, watch this video here. That will tell you about the playlist. But these videos, watch them in order and do the work that goes with it. Let's go back to here. Reading, read the passage and follow the directions. So when you go on classwork, you're going to see a passage. Labeled 10-7 reading. So please follow the directions there. There's some writing that goes with it. Science and social studies, complete the slides. So, you look right here at science and social studies. It is more than just turning in the slides. You must type your answers, whether you are able to type them on the Google Doc or if you're able to type them on the slide. Either way is fine with me, but you cannot just turn in nothing. You have to have some writing that goes with it. Please contact me if I can help you in any way. I will try to check Seesaw a couple times throughout the day, as well as Google Classroom. Have a great day.